Have you ever wanted to surprise somebody with some delicious and romantic chocolate-covered strawberries? Hi guys, I'm Cynthia Vera from CynthiaVeraBakes.com, and today we will be making rose gold chocolate-covered strawberries for this coming Valentine's Day. So let's get decorating! So first we're gonna wash and dry our strawberries. I tried my best to choose the pretty and the bigger size strawberries for this. Then using a wooden skewer, I punched the skewers in the center of the strawberries where the stem used to be. Now you can dip the skewers in melted chocolate before punching through the strawberry to keep it firm and in place, but I skipped that step because I'm eating all the strawberries right away. You can use white chocolate or white candy melts to cover the strawberries. I melted it in the microwave and dipped the strawberries in. So for the first look, I'm going to be using crystal sugar sprinkles. So after you dip the strawberries and while the chocolate is still a little warm, sprinkle the sugar crystals. I also added pink sugar sprinkles on top of the white chocolate strawberries. And then I melted together red and white candy melts in a piping bag and drizzled it on top of the white strawberries as well. For a different look, I melted a few red candy melts and mixed it with my white melted chocolate to create this pink color. Then I dipped the rest of the strawberries in it. I sprinkled a few of the pink-covered strawberries with sugar sprinkles, then the rest I painted with edible rose gold glitter. After I decorated the strawberries, I simply stick it in a styrofoam to dry or in a tall glass without the strawberries touching each other. I wipe the chocolate-covered strawberries using a damp paper towel so the rose gold glitter will stick to it better. Here I'm showing you how the strawberries will look like if I don't wipe it with a moist paper towel before brushing the rose gold glitter. It just doesn't look as vibrant or as shiny. So you can either brush the entire strawberry with rose gold glitter, or just paint it halfway then cover the rest of the strawberries with drizzled pink candy melts. Once we have decorated all the strawberries, it's time to assemble it. So here I have a floor foam and this glass container that I got cheaply at a dollar store. I simply wrapped the floor foam with pink parchment paper and inserted it inside the glass. Then arrange all of the strawberries inside the glass. After we're done arranging the strawberries, we're just gonna cover the rest of the glass with parchment paper. Finish up with a pretty pink bow. And that's it! That's our rose gold chocolate covered strawberries. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you won't miss my next videos. See you next time!